Have you ever been in a Zoom meeting and was like, why do I look like this? So you try to quickly adjust your area. Welcome back to Rock Natural, the channel that's all about beauty and business. This channel is perfect for beauty entrepreneurs in the 9-to-5 space and also beauty entrepreneurs. This video is going to be sharing with you some of my top tips to have a successful Zoom setup, and let's just go ahead and get right into it. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your computer is at a good level. So you want to make sure that you have enough platforms and you have it elevated high enough so that it's at a good angle. You want it here, not here. Okay, so another thing that I wanted to point out is having your makeup / hair done. For me, I feel like this is just like such a confidence boost, and I actually did a 5-minute quick Zoom makeup, so check it out here. And this is just to, if you had a long night, you know, working on your business and you get up early and you have a meeting first thing in the morning and you want to look presentable, that 5-minute makeup look is perfect for you. And then I always like to keep my hair pulled back, or like sometimes I will have it down, but I would just make sure that it's out of my face. And for me, this is just helpful for the person on the other end, and then it's also helpful for me so I'm not looking at myself keep touching my hair and trying to get it out the way. Another thing I wanted to talk about is your top. So we all know that the bottom is going to be whatever you want, and I actually advise wearing something more comfortable, especially if you are in meetings all day. Comfortable as in not pajamas, but maybe leggings. Or for me, I've been wearing like workout pants so that I can work out immediately after work or during the day. The other thing is you want to make sure that your chair either has really good back support or it's at a good level, so that way, for one, you are at a good angle in the camera. For two, you're comfortable when you're sitting. For three, if it has good back support, then you can relax and you don't have to strain yourself by sitting up. And this just helps with feeling comfortable and knowing that, okay, I have this good back support, so if it's a longer meeting, you're able to adjust without looking like, oh, hey. Another piece that I notice is that when I'm like slouching, I can feel it and it shows in the camera. So I always just like try to sit up straight, you know, have my headphones in if I need to, and usually taking like pen and paper, have a pen and paper usually. In this moment, I'm talking about in your 9-to-5 or even in your own business. This is just like a personal thing. It can be distracting for me if the person has like a bunch of different stuff in the background. And so for me, I like to keep the space clear, but I also admire all of the people who either have things up in the background that are related to their job, or even if they have some cute like scenic type things in the background. I think both of those work well, but sometimes it can, I know, be distracting if there's random stuff happening in the background. And then this is just a added essential and not something that you have to do, but anytime I'm sitting at a desk or, you know, trying to get some work done, I like to light a candle. And I do this for two reasons. For me, it's kind of like peaceful. Light a candle and drink my tea. For me, it's kind of peaceful. For me, it also like sets the mood, and then I know that I have to smell good. I'm like such a huge smell person that lighting a candle just helps to wake me up, refresh the space that I'm in, and just keep the area smelling good. So that's why I like to light a candle. This video shared with you some of the top tips. If you can relate to any of these, I would love for you to leave a comment down below and just like also share what helps you be successful in a Zoom meeting. In the world of Zoom conferencing more now than before, I find that this video is needed, and I also want everyone to share what their thoughts on, and if you agree or disagree with some of the things that I mentioned. Like I said, a lot of these are personal preference, but I found that I've been the most successful with them. And when they're not kind of set up, I kind of always feel like iffy on the other end, like, oof, I don't know. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're going on this journey and we're learning all about business and beauty. Give this video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next upload. Toodles.